Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be installing a couple of little bits on the BMW. So these are going to be the first things that I'm going to be changing on it. So it will be the front grills, because as you can see there's one that's got a slight chip in it, and there's a clip that's broke. So I've also got some gloss ones that will look a lot nicer. Also the mirror covers, they'll be getting changed as well. They have got a few scuffs on that one. This side is a bit more visible. As you can see, there's a massive scuff on the top, so if it'll focus in, probably won't, but as you can see there's a few scuffs, so I'm going to be showing you how to replace them. And then the little badges, just going to be sticking them on to the wheel. Here you can see where they've not got any, so I'll be putting them badges on there. So yeah, just a few little bits. So yeah, let's start with the mirrors. Okay, so to get the mirror covers off of this car, you're going to want to get kind of like a plastic trim remover tool, and you're going to start pushing it in around the sides here. You're going to want to lift the top and then the bottom out, kind of go back and forth like that until you get the clips out, because there's quite a few clips that are holding it in, and then we can get that off. So I've got a little plastic trim tool here. So what I want to do is there's a little gap along here, a little gap along the bottom of the plastic, so we're just going to start shimming that underneath here. See here, it just gets that clip off of there, under here like so, and then there'll be one at the bottom here in the centre, I do believe. Pop that off, get that one off of here, one in the corner, it's kind of stuck on, and get that one out. Behind, get that from the corner and get that off without damaging that. Little one in the corner like so, and there we have it. So that is how you get them off. So you just want to leverage along the top and the bottom, and then here as you can see the clips. So there's there's two down the left side closest to the car, and then there's another one there and there. And then there's a little one that slots in at the bottom under that. So yeah, that is how you get the covers off this mirror. And then to install them back on, obviously you just want to reverse the process. So let me just get the covers out now. So here we go. As you can see, these ones are gloss black with the little fin there on the top. So yeah, these have got the same clips. So we'll just attempt to go and put them on now. So it does match up very nicely with that. So just to see if that'll go on, hopefully. There we go. So that looks okay. Maybe it's not, so we'll just have to check that they're lining up correctly. Okay, so now that's on, that is looking a lot better. So I'll just show you on the car. Wow, that looks so much better that now. So as you can see there, got that cover on. Compare that with the other side. Wow, oh yeah. In my opinion, that looks a lot better. So yeah, they are looking. That one's looking very good. Just have a look from the other side here. Just have a look around this side. See there. Looks very nice. And I just want to make sure that these are all fully pushed in, because there's a little bit of play there, so it might just go in a little bit more on one of them top clips. We'll just have to check that. Okay, so after checking it a little bit more, as you can see there, it's really flush. So I just took it off, and as you see, there's no play in there at all now with that before. So you just want to really give it a good push, kind of like that, and you'll hear them clicking a little bit more, and that'll be good to go. So yeah, we'll just do that on the other side, and then we'll have a look at how they look on the car. So now that we've got them fitted onto the car, we can start by having a look at the grille. This should be pretty easy as well. So there's just a clip on each corner. Okay, so to start, we'll just have a look at the left one. I do believe that is the one that's on there. Slightly different. I think one of the clips has come off, so we'll just have a look at getting that one off and replacing that first. So I believe you do just pull up on these, pull up like that, and then the top bit will come out like so. Very easy to do. As you can see, the clips have snapped off that end, so that's why that wasn't being holding. So yeah, might be worth just giving that a bit of a clean up as well in here while we're doing them. So here's the new grille. So you see a lot better. That's the different styled grille like that, so that's going to look 10 times better. Okay, so we'll get that fitted now. So just push in at the bottom like so. Just be careful with these clips, obviously they are a little bit fragile, and looks like that might be slotted in, just the bottom one. It's not. So now that's fitted, it did take a little bit of work to get it on, but they look, well, that one looks way better already. So as you can see, that one is looking a lot better already than the matte one, and it's obviously not broke, so that's looking a lot better already. So let's get the other one fitted. Okay, so now we've got the other one. What I've found might be best is this little lip here. If you put that over there like that, and then clip that bit in first, it kind of locks it in a lot better. Because I've found that doing it kind of any other way doesn't really lock it in, but it doesn't seem to be clipping in with that. So we're going to have to take that out and just figure out what's happening here. If you clip that over, you need to kind of hook it over the top, I believe, and then it should sit a lot better. Doesn't seem to want to clip in there. This is the one that was on a lot better than the other one, so it definitely should clip in alright. Looking at that, kind of hook that over like so, and put it on pretty evenly. It's better, but it's not, still not perfect. So I can't exactly get that one on perfectly. There's that one of the clips are not clipping in right, but it's a little bit finicky to do, but it seems to be on good enough. It's not good now, I don't think so. We'll just close the bonnet and have a look at that now. As you can see, looking a lot nicer with them on, as well as the covers. So the last easy bit to do is to literally just put these on. These little stickers on the wheels, so we'll just put them on now. Okay, so there you have it. You see the little M badges on the wheels, they're all done. Obviously got the mirror covers on there, and then the gloss black grille. So it's looking a lot tidier already. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to see any more content on the BMW, please do drop a subscription or the Type R. There'll be loads of videos coming out on both. And please drop a like, that would mean a lot. And thank you for watching. Have a nice rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.